Today we will learn how to sketch this roller shaft. Okay, this is the 2D drawing. Now I will sketch this 2D drawing. Okay, let's start. Just go to this and just click this new and click this 2D engineering drawing and click OK. Now I choose A3 and just click OK. Yes, just click cancel. Now at first I will go to this line and choose center line. Sketch center line from this point to this, and again sketch center line this point to this, and right click, select OK, and just click this circle, sketch circle this point to this, and again sketch circle this point to this, and right click, select OK. Sorry, this point will be the same. Yes. Now go to a smart dimension, make it 8 millimeter. Just click, make it 8 millimeter, click enter. Again make it 12 millimeters. Just make it 12 millimeter, click enter. Yes. OK. Just right click and select OK. Yeah. Now I'll go to this center line, sketch center line from this point to this point. Yes, just right click and select OK, and just sketch a line from this point to this point, and 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 just select OK. Yes. Now now go to a smart dimension, make it this 28 millimeter. Make it 28 millimeter. Just click 28 millimeter, click enter. OK, and make it 30 millimeter. Make it 30 millimeter, click enter. Yes. And again a sketch line from this point to this point, and this point to this point, and right click, select OK. Now click this line and make sure it is vertical. Just click OK. Now go to a smart dimension, make it from this point to this point, make it 168 millimeter. Just click 168 and click enter. Yes. Now now go to this sketch jumper and choose this angle distance, make it 3 millimeter, click enter. OK, and angle distance 45 degree, and choose this point. This is this point, and click yes, and again choose this point, click this, and just click OK. Yes. Now just drag it for better understand, and click this, and just drag it and click this. Okay, and again just drag it and drag it. Yes. Okay, now I'll go to this mirror entity. Just copy this, mirror this to this, all this, and about mirror just click this line and just click OK. Now see, now just I choose this line and sketch this line, this point to this point to this point, and select OK, and again sketch line, this point to this point, and select OK. Yes. Now go to linear pattern and choose this distance, this, and make it 4 mm distance, and make it 25 number of instances, and just choose this entity to pattern. This is our entity to pattern. Just you will just keep it 5 mm, click enter. It will be until this, so just click this. Now see, it is created. Now again I will sketch this. Just click this, right click and delete this. Again I will sketch line from this point to this point. Yes, and right click, select OK. Now I will go to this linear pattern. Just choose this. This is our line. Okay, I will choose this number 4, click enter. Sorry, I will choose this 5, click enter, and I will choose this number of 25, click enter, and I will choose these instances to pattern. These are our instances to pattern. Just click this OK. Now see, it is made. Okay, just right click and click OK. Just I'll trim the extra line. Just click this trim, and I'll just click this until this, and I'll choose this and this to this. Yes. Now click OK. Click OK, and again I'll sketch line in this point to this point to this point, and right click, select OK, and go to this linear sketch pattern, and I will choose this distance. I will make this number 5 distance, and I'll keep it number of 5. Yes, and just I will choose this entity to pattern. This is our entity to pattern. It will be number of 5. Okay, just click OK. Yes, again I will choose this line. I will sketch line from this point to this point and just click OK. Sorry, just delete it and choose this line from this point to this point and right click, select OK. I'll choose this linear sketch pattern. I'll choose this the distance. I'll choose this number of 5 millimeter distance, and I'll choose this number of 5. Click, and just I will choose this entity to pattern. This is our entity to pattern. Click on this line and just I will click OK. Now see, and just now see our shape is created. Okay, just I will go to this sketch line, just click this line from this point to this point and this point to this point and click OK. Again choose this line from this point to this point to this and this point to this and select OK. Again I will choose this line from this point to this and this point to this and choose this point to this point to this point to this and right click and select OK. Now I will go to this annotation and click this note and just click here and I will click this. It will be size M 8 into 8 sorry, just back it, click back, just click this, just click 8 into 25, just click OK and again just click here and I'll write it M12 into this, click this, click 12 into 1.75 and just click OK. Now see, this is the shape created. Okay, 2D shape. Now go to this file and click save as, and just I will make it just click save type file, just I will choose this PDF and just I will click save. Yes, now it is making as a PDF. Okay, now see, just full view. Now see, it is created as a PDF. Okay, thank you for watching.